Hello everyone. So in this video I will be talking about the another approach which we used to understand the natural language, that is the semantic analysis. So in this video we'll discuss what is semantic analysis, why we need semantic analysis, and what are the different tasks that can be performed as part of semantic analysis on the text. So semantic analysis. So unlike syntactic analysis, which basically deals to check the underlying structure of the sentence, whether the sentence is grammatically correct or not, semantic analysis deals with identifying the exact meaning of the word or the sentence that has been spoken or written by the human being. So semantic analysis deals with identifying the or the looking for the exact meaning. So semantic analysis help us to understand the natural language in which we try to look for the exact meaning and the context of the text, means what the text is actually talking about. In this, we try to inform the logical meaning of certain given sentence or the part of those sentences. So using semantic analysis, we'll try to formulate the logical meaning of the sentence to check whether the sentence is logically correct or not, or what exactly the user is talking about. Using semantic analysis, we try to understand the meaning and interpretation of words, signs, sentences, and structure. It helps to identifying the relationships between the individual words in a particular context. So basically, based on the context, we'll try to look for the meaning. To do that, we perform the semantic analysis. Let's see an example. Suppose there is a sentence called Ram is great. Okay, so looking into this sentence, so our user has spoken this sentence. Okay, so now the task of semantic analysis to understand that whether this sentence is talking about Lord Ram, or whether this one is sentence is talking about the Ram who may be some, some person or name of some person. Okay, so this is what semantic analysis basically perform. The task we perform in semantic analysis is lexical analysis. So we'll explore what is lexical analysis is in more detail. Relationship extractions, natural language generation, word sense disambiguation, and named entity recognition. So these are the tasks that is being performed as part of doing semantic analysis in order to understand the sentence meaning. So let's see what is lexical analysis is. Lexical analysis basically deals with understanding the meaning of the word. Okay, so there are so many dictionaries online. Dictionaries are available like wordnet that contains the list of meanings with respect to different words of the sentence, along with their different forms or the different elements. So what are the different elements in lexical dictionary, we'll see in the coming slides. So it also deals with the studying the level of words with respect to their lexical meaning. So what is the lexical meaning means what exactly this word or the sentence is talking about. Like we have the Oxford Dictionary, information the human language. So what exactly is mentioned in the human language, what user has spoken, all those things has been identified on the basis of doing lexical analysis. So in this we identify and analyze the structure of the words also. So let's see what are the different elements of lexical analysis that helps to perform the semantic analysis on the data. First element of lexical analysis is hypernomy. So what hypernomy is exactly is, so it tries to derive the relationship in the from the generic and their instance. Means there is a word called color. Okay, and there is a different instances like purple, blue, green. So all those things are the instances of the main class that is called color. So this is called hypernomy basically. So as you can see in this example also, so we have a generic class called color. Okay, and there are instances like purple, red, blue. So these are the co-hyponyms, means these in using hyponymy will try to identify the relationship between color and its instances. Okay, so this is the part of a hyponymy. Next is polysemy. So polysemy means the words that have multiple senses. Like there is a word called let's have a drink in the bar. Okay, so this sentence is talking about having a drink in the bar. We have another sentence that is talking I have to study in the bar. Okay, so this is a another sentence which is talking about that there is a some person who want to study for the bar, means some advocation or for some judge exam he want to study. Okay, there is another sentence which is talking about bring me the chocolate bar. Okay, so this chocolate bar is something different, it is talking about the chocolate. So looking into these three sentences, all these three sentences are having a word called bar. Okay, and bar is having the same spelling, it doesn't have different meaning or different spelling. But giving the context, so this is the context. Giving the context, the nature of the word bar is changing, means the senses of this word is changing. Like in case in the second sentence, the context for changing the nature of this bar is the study. He's want to study. In this case, it is talking about the chocolate bar, and in this, he's talking about the studying in the bar. Okay, and he's talking about the drinking in the bar, and this is for the studying for some advocate exam for the bar. So this is one of the very simple example to get you understand what is polysemy is basically. So where we have our words with have multiple senses that forms under the category of polysemy. Okay, so why I mean we are discussing all these things because when we have some word, if you user has spoken something, okay, so maybe the sentence that has been written may have some different senses. Like what is the weather tonight? Okay, yeah, what's the time, what's the weather, what is the temperature? So these questions have the same intentions or same looking for the same answer. But in order to understand the context or in order to understand the meaning of these questions, we need to perform all these different steps as part of semantic analysis. Another is synonym. Synonym is I think everyone knows it is the word that have the different sound but have the same or identical meaning. Okay, like we have the word small and little. So these two words are different, having different words are they have different pronunciation, but the meaning are almost same. Big, large, mother and father. So this is talking about their parents. So it's like when we look for some words in the dictionary. In our dictionary, we check what is the meaning of this word and what are the similar words with respect to this word. So this is fall under the category of synonyms. So why we use synonyms? Because if we are looking for doing text summarization, okay, so in the text summarization, when we do the parsing of the sentences and we come across with each words and we try to look for the meaning of each word. So based upon the similarities in the meaning, so all those words combined in a one lexical chain. So there have a number of lexical chain like L1, L2. So L1 chain will contains the all those words in the document that is talking have or that are having the same meaning with respect to the term bank. Another lexical chain can have the words related to the small. Okay, so we have formulated so many lexical chains of same meaning, and then we make use of these lexical chains on the basis of the number of occurrence of these words. We'll try to do the summarization or the do the topic extraction.